Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and all we have to do right now is simply tap on the settings which are in the left upper corner, so let's enter. And now, as you can see here in the still camera settings, on the very first position we've got the countdown timer. So let's tap on this option, and here we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. Now we've got the option off, so the timer is off and we can make photos right after touching the shutter button, but we can also set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So of course it's up to you which you'd like to choose, and let me show you for example the 10 seconds delay. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it immediately changes, so now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, so let's tap on the settings again, find the countdown timer and tap on 2 seconds for example. As you can see, the same situation, it also immediately changes. So let's get back, tap on the shutter button, and the same situation, but now it was counting down from 2. Now in order to turn off the timer, nothing easier, just go back to the settings, tap on countdown timer and tap on off. Let's go back and check. And as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.